going canoeing. I got a fish on the jig, bouncing it through the weeds. About the same size as my last one. Nope, smaller. I'll take it though. Choking that jig.
You were bouncing that aggressive, huh?
Yeah, I was trying to get out of the grass. Choking that jig, son. My phone's really not working, so fish looks sick or spawned out. Yeah, I felt the grass on it, so I started popping it. Must have hit it when I was popping out of the grass. Definitely something going on right there, because you had a fish come and follow you from over there, and then I caught one, so. Some grass out there they're sitting over, or. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Fishing line?
Oh yeah.
Get that out of here. I did my good deed for the day. Caught me some fishing line. You got one? Dude, that was a good jump. I got on camera and everything, dude. Little buck bass. Yeah, that counts. Quick. I wasn't recording for that fish. If I wasn't recording, I hate myself so much. That's two good fish. What a tricky little fish, huh?
Good fish, dude. That is a...
Dude, that just looks tricky to me. Yeah, I guess yours is like that too.
Yeah.
3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Yeah, all right, 3.6. Closer. Yeah, that's more. Yeah, that's more towards 3.5. 3.5. All right, big girl. You ready? Go back to your bed that you could have been on. All right, I'm leaning, so watch out. Awesome release. Right back to where I caught her from. She was either. I don't think she was on a bed yet, but she was definitely getting ready. No doubt about that. The next few days, she would have been moving up. Especially after today and tomorrow when it's going to be nice and warm. A little buck bass. Oh, he came off. No, he didn't. Crappie!
Crappie!
A good size. I got a little thick little crappie too.
Yeah, that's a nice crappie.
Oh, not bad. This little fat crappie's got something in his stomach. There's one. Killing it. Killing it. I'll just edit that out. Look how beautiful that fish is. It's good. Yeah, look at the colors though, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like a spotty. But it's not. Killing it at beep. Such a good place. Beep. Back to the depths. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're taking the canoe back to these spawning flats. And we're basically fishing any kind of structure offshore of the spawning flats for these bigger fish. Some of these little baby bass, little buck bass, little male bass, they're swimming up and they're looking for a good place to spawn. And the females are sitting not too far offshore up on any kind of structure they can find. So basically we're throwing any kind of reaction bait, or I was dragging a jig earlier too. Yeah, you got a good one? Bring her over here. Come on. You got it? Alright. Stick her out a little bit, like out towards the water. There you go, I can see her a little better that way. Dragging the bottom. First cast with the frickin' craw, dude. Oh, he spit it. Little dude. Pretty cool though, huh? First cast, just dragging the bottom. Good one. Little bass. Come here, fishy. Decent one. Another picture-worthy fish. That jerkbait hanging out of its mouth. Right. Yeah, shoot it out this way. I like 1 3/4. Nice, short, chunky fish.
Yeah.
No! Oh, damn, bro. I got some bad luck today. I just broke my craw off and I threw the fucking jerkbait that way. Dang, dude. Just caught this trout on this jerkbait. That's crazy. I'd really rather get a jerkbait in my hand, so. A little multi-species day. Nice little rainbow. Alrighty guys, as always I appreciate you watching. If you like what you saw, check out my other videos if you haven't already. I'll see you guys later.